dance. Ole, 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 ole. Hey, hey, hey. Y'all don't look scared. They ain't scared.
We got God on our side.
What? What? Talk beer. We ain't scared. We tasted your tear gas. It was delicious.
Man, I taste that shit. It was so good.
Man.
It tastes like onion. It tastes like vinegar.
Woo! Spicy.
Tastes like onion. Tastes like vinegar. Tastes like onion.
Yes, people are out here giggling, laughing, nervous, scared. We have been here. We have tasted it. We have felt it. And we're right back here 8 days later. You thought it was over. This is round 2. The people versus the pigs. Let's see what happens. What's that?
It's round 2.
You know, round 2. And it's going to be blood.
You all fucked the first round. We didn't try to get
No, not this one.